Welcome to day 14 of me solving an algorithm per day. Today's algorithm is going to be Designer PDF Viewer. When a contiguous block of text is selected in a PDF viewer, the selection is highlighted with a blue rectangle. In this PDF viewer, each word is highlighted independently. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, Y. There's a list of 26 character heights aligned by index to their letters. For example, A is at index 0 and Z is at index 25. There will also be a string. Using the letter heights given, determine the area of the rectangle highlight in square millimeters, assuming all letters are 1 millimeter wide. Example, that's probably the whole alphabet and the respective height for each letter. The heights are T is equal to, so about here it's T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, yeah, so T, and then we have R is 1 and so on and so on. The tallest letter is 2, and there are 4 letters. The highlighted area will be 2 times 4, so then basically we're looking for the highest height, and then times the word character count. I guess that's basically the challenge. So we have 26, correct? And we don't know what letter has basically the respective index. So maybe we should build an alphabet. Alphabet equals to A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so we have the alphabet, correct? And now we have the height string, which is the same index. Basically, we have the highest height is gonna be let's see what's the constraint. We say constraints, are we gonna have like 0, like a string of like an empty string? I think 0, highest height 0 is correct, because then we would say for zero characters in a word, that would be 0 times, which is the width, right? 0 times and then height, whatever. Cool. We can say for a letter in Word, we could say the string letter, because it's gonna be a character, I think, describing letter. That's the string representation of it. And then we can say index of the inside the alphabet, index of string letter. That should be definitely given. I think it's optional, right? If let. So if we have the index, then we know the position, we know the height. If highest height is smaller than h index, then we want to say highest height is that, and then we don't care about anything else. In the end, we want to say highest height times word.count and return this. Let's see. Alphabet has no member index of string. I think it's first index, and then we can say equal string letter, and it says highest height. Did you mean? Yes, of course, I meant highest height. Run again. Compilation. Where? Of course, because we are in here. Damn. Submitting. And that's it. Great, awesome. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you want to help me out. And leave a comment in the comment section if you have anything to share with me. I hope I see you tomorrow. Until then, bye.